In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create tags in ActiveCampaign and reveal some of the best practices to optimize your tagging strategy. Whether you're new to ActiveCampaign or looking to refine your process, understanding how to efficiently manage tags can significantly enhance your marketing efforts. So let's dive in and get started. The first thing you need to do is log into your ActiveCampaign account. Once you're on the dashboard, look to the left sidebar and click on Contacts. This section is where all the magic happens, and it's your starting point for managing tags within your contact lists. Next, to access the Tags section, you'll want to look towards the top right of the Contacts page and click on Manage Tags. If you've already been using tags, you'll see a list of existing ones, but no worries if it's empty. It just means you're ready to start creating new tags. To add a new tag, simply click the Add a Tag button. It's easy and brings you a step closer to more organized data. In the pop-up box that appears, you'll need to enter the name of your new tag. For effective management, clear and structured naming is crucial. For instance, you might want to label tags as Lead Downloaded Free Guide or perhaps Customer Purchase Product A. These examples follow a helpful formula for naming, which I highly recommend: category, action, detail. This structure keeps things clear and understandable at a glance. Say for a webinar registration, your tag could be Lead Webinar Registered. Now here's an optional yet powerful feature: automating tag application based on user actions. Head over to Automations, create a new automation, then add a new action, select Contacts, and finally add tag. This feature ensures that whenever someone subscribes to a newsletter, clicks a link, or makes a purchase, the appropriate tag is added automatically. This keeps your contacts well organized and allows you to personalize your marketing with ease. There will be times when manual tagging is necessary. To do this, simply go to Contacts and then All Contacts. You can select the individuals you want to tag by checking the box next to their names. Afterward, click Edit followed by Add Tag. Enter the tag name, hit Apply, and you're done. With your tags set up, they become a powerful tool for segmentation. You can create segments for targeted campaigns, easily filter contacts by specific tags, like VIP customer, and trigger automations specifically for tagged individuals. For instance, you could send a special offer exclusively to those tagged as customer premium. Understanding and applying these practices will not only streamline your marketing tasks, but also enhance the precision of your targeted communications. By making the most of tags in ActiveCampaign, you're setting the stage for effective and personalized marketing endeavors.